How to review logins and logouts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review logins and logouts on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and go down here. You will find this one, activity log, and go down. Here you will find look at actions and other activity, and then all you need to do is just go down and you need to find this one, logins and logouts, and all you need to do is just one click and then you can review logins and logouts on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.